Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode of Dreevay with We, my sister Anandi as well as my cousins are headed to Royalty Ice Cream Café. It's a local ice cream parlor. They serve homemade ice cream, cakes, smoothies, punches, drinks, and the friendly staff and welcoming atmosphere made for a perfect evening lime. So let's take a look at another Trinbagonian small business serving up local flavors. So come Dreevay with we now.
Welcome to Royalty Ice Cream Cafe.
Hi.
Welcome to Royalty Ice Cream Cafe. In this freezer here, we have Cookie Monster, which is a cookie dough based ice cream with cookies and chocolate chips, ginger and coconut, cherry coconut, coffee street, peanut peon, which is peanut based with chocolate chips, M&Ms and Reese's chocolate chunk with Hershey's syrup, and babasap, which is barbadine and soursop mix.
And these are just the flavors you have tonight. Usually you have a wider variety.
I also have others, but in a different fridge. In this fridge we have Bailey's, Guinness, strawberry, rum and raisin, pistachio and strawberry cheesecake. On this side we also do punches. We do punches with milk, tropical smoothies, healthy drinks and latte. With these tropical smoothies we also use real fruits.
Hi, good night. Can I have butter toffee and 1 scoop waffle, please? Which one you tasting there, Antonio? This one is the Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
How it taste?
Tastes good.
What are you tasting in it?
Cookie Monster.
Antonio, what flavor did you get?
Cookie Monster.
So this one is chocolate based with Oreos. Chris,
Pistachio.
nice.
Boom.
Shanaz, what did you get?
Mine is babasap.
Babasap, so a mixture of barbadine and soursop. And Kels, what did you have?
Butter toffee.
So see, not everybody tastes each other's ice cream. What was the best?
Mine obviously. Butter toffee. Mine.
Right now I'm about to make a CMOS and banana punch. Let's start with 1 scoop CMOS, 2 scoops of CMOS, banana, a little bit condensed milk, soursop. Next punch is a soursop and peanut punch. Welcome to Royalty Ice Cream Cafe.